Hi, how to connect music sound earphones to your smartphone. Follow these simple steps for a seamless pairing process. Open your device's Bluetooth settings and turn it on. Take the earphones out of the case and wait for music sound to appear in the list of available Bluetooth devices. If it doesn't appear for a long time, reconnect Bluetooth. Choose music sound. After successfully connecting, you'll hear a sound signal and see the earphones in the list of paired devices. Thanks for watching. You'll find more tips for your earphones in the playlist. If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe so our channel pops up first when you search for solutions.